Hey, Jonathan Tippett here, founder, CEO, and chief mech test pilot at Exosapient Technologies. We are stoked to present to you some gold from the archives of our testing footage. Last fall, we had an amazing opportunity to take a full-size pickup truck, and what we wanted to do was carefully lift the truck off the trailer without damaging it, place it on the ground, and then shove it into a ditch, and then rescue it, and then destroy it. And we're super excited to announce our new sponsorship with Solidworks. They have hooked us up with fully loaded seats, all this FEA packages, motion analysis. We're dying to sink our teeth into this and start designing the next generation of Mech Suit. I've been using Solidworks for more than 20 years, and I've been working on projects since well before prosthesis was even an imagined thing. But before we started cutting metal or making anything, we did the engineering work, and then I was able to model out just the sort of conceptual versions of the machine, just to get the scope and scale of it, and to start visualizing it and get the whole team involved and build a community around it. And we're really stoked because 3D Experience World is coming back to IRL. After a hiatus during the pandemic, we're actually going to bring together SolidWorks users and start to exchange ideas again. So register now for 3D Experience World 2023. It's happening in Nashville, February 12th to 15th. There's a discount code in the description to the video. It gives you 50% off a full conference pass. This is an amazing opportunity to get in a room with some real people and nerd out about SolidWorks. It's actually one of my favorite things. But first, let's go back to our field testing site and show you what we did with this truck. This was a riot. It was a muddy, messy operation, and we learned a whole bunch of new stuff.
A 4,000-pound medium-duty pickup truck on a flatbed in a muddy field that would be completely inaccessible to a forklift. That was awesome. Pretty smooth, I think.
Good as new.